Woohoo! Woo! What a fish. You can go back, he's nice and healthy. Beautiful fish. On the jig. There she goes! Woohoo! This is what we come here for! What a gorgeous fish. We done it! Tiger was a sail and we got one. Anyway, we'll let this one go. Swim him a little bit. Just come dropped out here off Cairns this morning. I got up at 5 o'clock, had a look at the radar. There's only a little bit of showers going on out to sea, but 2 hours later I get down to the boat ramp. And yeah, out to sea, she is black as. You can see some big storms coming down from the north. And so yeah, my plan was to go to Green Island and fish around there for the day, just a solo fish. Fishing on my own here today. But yeah, I'm not driving out into that. It's a big storm, so I'm going to hug the coast. Come up here to this double island where we've got a few mackies before, so I'll give it a crack. The Yorkie knob back there. I'm just going to wander up here, a couple of dive lures out, see if I can find some Spanish mackerel. Water's pretty dirty, but I don't really like it that dark green. But we'll see how we go. We'll give it a go. You've got to be in it to win it. That's what I say. Anyway, put some lures out and see how we go. Couple of dive lures out now, going along. Trying to look for some bait along here. I can't find any at the moment. But there's the cell I was talking about. So we've got a cell coming in here, just about to hit me. It's only a small one, but the one out wider that's coming down it's pretty big. Yeah, hit me on that one. Got some serious rain in that. But anyway, we've got a roof. Well, got the clear on the front, and we should stay dry. Or I should stay on here on my own. Yeah, I'll just keep trying along here and having a look. Keep my eye on these bloody storms coming down. See how we go. No bird life out here, no bait. You never know, there might be a few predators hanging around. I'll just keep looking. Starting to piss down now. You can hardly see the two islands just there. You see it's absolutely pissing down back there, just north of me, and it's coming this way. So anyway, I'm out here now. A little bit brighter way out to sea, but I'll wait and see what this cell's doing before I decide to go out there. Just can't win, mate. Anyway, I'm out here, feet sitting at home. I'll keep trying. Oh, I didn't have the camera going because it was just been pouring rain, but it did pluck a nice spotty. Nice little spotty mackerel. Beautiful marks on him. Awesome looking spots. Pretty fish, took the green helco. Yeah. Got a bit of fish marking here, so I might drop a jig down. I was on my way home because there's this massive rain cell's coming in really quick. Drop a jig down and see if there's a finger mark or something here. That'd be cool. Never caught one of them. Put that mark in there, I think. That mark is there, is it? Oh, ahead. Go back down. We had a hit. Oh, yep. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. What a fish. Oh my God. What a golden Trevally. Woo! That is huge. Oh, I'll have to get the net for this fella. I wasn't expecting that, I'll tell you. Out. Oh, daddy. Oh, 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 God. Woo. Oh, no wonder he knocked me up. What a golden. Hey, that's what give me all the curry. He's a beauty. Oh. Wow, geez, they fight awesome. Oh. Beautiful fish on the jig. Pretty awesome. I'll get these hooks out and let him go. Oh. Oh. That was literally first jig, first draw. Pretty awesome. Big golden. Fish marking still, so I'll have another go. If I get another golden, I'll have to move because they'll knock me up too much. Whew, awesome fish. Drop back down. Open on a finger mark. Golden snapper. I haven't caught one of them yet, so that would have been cool. Still fish marking. Could have been in to win it. The storm's still trying to come in, but it hasn't hit me yet. It's not far away, but no. Not on the tune now. Fish marking, it's started. Oh. Oh. Go. Wow. The jigs are going off today. Oh. Have a go at this for a queenfish. Woo. Come on, mate, up here. Come on. Woo. Oh, this is a metre queenfish, easy. It's got to be a metre. Won't fit in the net. Beautiful queenie. Wow. You give me some stick. Woo! What a fish. He is a beauty. You can go back, he's nice and healthy. Well, pretty lucky the storms are going around me. I'm happy with that, tell you. It's coming in pretty dark. You can see the clouds over here, all going inland now. Up towards Mossman there. Double island there, Yorkie's back there, and all the dark cloud, worst of it went that way, south. So that was a bonus. Anyway, I got a couple of fish on the jig, had a bit of fun there. And it went quiet, so they might sneak out wider, I think, now. Go wider and hit the reef. And maybe look for some mackies or something out wide. Anyway, let's go and do it. I made it out here to Pixie Reef. Starting to howl out here a bit though. 18 knot winds now. Flopping up a little bit, but anyway, I'm out here. I'll chuck a couple of lures out. We'll see how we go. Oh. Well, I've got out wide at Pixie Reef and that, but it's picked up the wind. It's howling now. Tried a couple of lures I think on the way back, and just see I can't really drive too quick in this crap. But we got the secret weapon. Things aren't biting. Bring on the bananas, mate, eh? I'll eat a couple of these on the way in, see if we get a bite. But, oh wow, can't believe how quick this sea picks up. Right. Little monkey bananas, bloody beautiful, mate, eh? Get them in here. There we go. Crap. I was trolling back my way home and picked up a mackie out in the middle of nowhere. Unreal. He's obviously looking for his skills of bait fish, going from reef to reef or whatever, but yeah, that's a bit of a bonus. Pretty happy with that. Woohoo! Target species caught. Good stuff. Oh, mackie in the esky, here we go. just out wide, it was howling, 12 over 20 knots. Capping its ring out, salt spray all over me, awesome. But anyway, I had a good day, solo fishing, it was good fun. The weather could have been a lot better. Caught some fish, had some fun. Tell you what, the beat's working, it's all that matters, eh? Anyway, nearly home, I've got a couple more to go, so it's time to crank up some tunes and get into it.
End of the week, I'm bound to blow. Breeze walking to the honky tonk like a